There is a vast assortment of lathe tooling available for modern manufacturing facilities. This short lesson will focus on the basic types that are most commonly used. General turning tools are used for facing and turning operations. Grooving and part-off tooling is typically used to cut a part from the bar stock and to create grooves on the part, such as this one. Both internal and external threads can be created with threading tools such as these. After a hole has been drilled, it can be bored out to a specific size and shape using standard boring tools such as these. Most lathe tooling falls into these categories as described here.